Hello and thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to look at the topic of BODMAS. This is going to give us an opportunity to look at mixed calculations and to see how to solve them. So let's take a look at the first mixed calculation. Basically, it asks us to find the value 9 take away 18 divided by 3 plus 9. Well, the thing is, we first need to consider which order are we going to approach this problem. Which operation are we going to tackle first? Think of it like baking a cake. If you put the ingredients in the wrong order, the cake may taste strange. Or if you complete the method in the wrong order, the cake may not come out right. So you think about it, you've got your mixing bowl out, you put eggs in it, then you put that mixing bowl straight into the oven, you take it out, then add flour. Hold on. This cake's not going to come out right. It's all mixed up. It's all messed up. So what we need to come up with is an order of operation, the right steps to take in order for this cake or mixed calculation to come out correct. And what we need to use is a system that's been developed called BODMAS. BODMAS. And what BODMAS is, it's an acronym, which basically means it's a word that each letter represents a bigger word, a different word, and that those each letters come together and they make one individual word, in this case, BODMAS. So each letter, as I said, represents an individual word. So B stands for brackets. In the mixed calculation, we're looking for brackets. That will be the very first part of the calculation that we would do, the brackets. Next, we're looking out for orders or others. And in this sense, we're looking out for any squared numbers, any square roots, any cube numbers, anything other than the operations that we're going to talk of next. D standing for division, M multiplication, A representing addition, and S representing subtraction. Okay, so you may also see BODMAS written as BIDMAS. Exactly the same concept, however, the I has been used to replace the O, and it represents the word indices. The same concept being powers, as in squared numbers, cube numbers, etc. So let's go back to our original question. How are we going to solve this? As I say, we're going to use our orders of operation, BODMAS. So let's go ahead and work this out together. So we go ahead and say 9 take away 18 divided by 3 plus 9. So let's use our BODMAS. Let's start off with B. B representing brackets. Are there any brackets in this mixed calculation? No. Okay, let's move on to O. Orders. Are there any square numbers, cube numbers, square roots, etc.? No. Let's move on. Next letter being D. D for division. Yes, we found something. That's it. Looking for D for division. This is it here. So in that case, it typically would look like it's 18 take away 3. However, we must be very careful. This number is not just 18. In this instance, it's actually minus 18. This sign has to come with this number. It becomes minus 18 divided by 3. So let's write that on the next line. Minus 18 divided by 3 equals, and it doesn't equal 6, it actually equals minus 6. Okay, so that's our first part solved. Let's rewrite the calculation to include our found figure of minus 6. So in this case, it's 9 minus 6 plus 9. So going back to BODMAS, we've just completed division. Our next letter, do you remember? It's M, multiplication. Do we have any multiplication? Not in this calculation. So we go straight on to A, addition. So let's look at addition. Here we have 6 plus 9. Remember what I said before? You must take its sign with it. This negative 6, or this minus 6, negative 6, is now negative 6 plus 9. So let's take that on its own and solve. Negative 6 plus 9. What does that equal? It equals 3. Now remember, 3 is a positive number, so it can also be written as plus 3. And why that's relevant in this case, because if we come down to rewrite the equation once again, filling in for what we've just solved, we now have to say 9 plus 3. Do you see where the relevance of that plus makes it easy to understand what to do with that 3? And there we have it. 9 plus 3 equals 12. So solving the initial mixed calculation, we have the answer of 12. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found the information useful. Please come across to tutorize.com where you can download more free resources to help you with your 11 plus preparation. You can also look out for more videos coming along, tricky 11 plus questions that we can help you solve. We're happy to hear from you. Join us on social media. Give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. Take care for now and thank you. Bye bye.